Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds fake, but it's 100% true. Watch till the end. In 1881, a man shot President James Garfield. The bullet missed everything important. Doctors said he would be totally fine. He was not fine. 16 doctors spent 11 weeks jamming unwashed fingers and dirty metal tools into the wound, trying to find that bullet, over and over again, in public, with zero concern for germs. The infection spread. Pus filled his entire body cavity. Garfield went from a healthy 200 pounds down to under 100. He died, screaming in pain from an infection that should never have happened. Here is where it gets insane. The shooter, Charles Guiteau, stood in court and told the jury that the doctors had actually killed the president, not him. And modern medicine looked back at the evidence and basically said he was right. The bullet never would have killed Garfield. The doctors did. Guiteau was still hanged. But he walked to that gallows with the most accurate medical opinion in the entire courtroom.